Hi and welcome to another Your Mind, Your World product introductory video. My name is Martin, I'm the founder of this brand. I have a hard time to talk English, but I will do my best to explain as well as I can. Today we're gonna be talking about Your Mind, Your World mobile app, and that's the app that controls Your Mind, Your World collection for the Chameleon X model. There is another app. I will tell you all the details in another video, so go ahead and you can go watch it. Chameleon model. This is Your Mind, Your World collection, Your Mind, Your World app. It's pretty interesting. It has some cool features such as you can group items together. So if you want to wear something and light up in one sequence, you can do that. If you have a group of friends and you guys want to light up in one sequence, you can do that too. You can also use live mic feature where you can actually use this as a sound reactive clothing where the garment will light up to the beat of the music or the sounds around you. There are some other interesting features. You can set up or build your own customized presets, but I will tell you all about it. It's pretty easy, and let's dive right into it. Let's go. I have 3 items on the table. I will show you how you can actually group batteries together so they light up in the same sequence, or I will also show you how you can control garment individually. So let's get started. When you purchase any of Your Mind, Your World collection product, you will receive this battery with the garment. This battery has a power button on top. You press it once, you turn it on, you press it one more time again, you turn it off. On the back of the battery, there is a QR code. When you scan this QR code, you get to a website with the instructions how to take care of the garments, product manual, and also mobile app instructions. You can also read it in details, but also you get to a page where you can choose your mobile app selection. You can download your mobile app for Android, or you can download your mobile app for iOS. So let's dive right into it. First thing that I recommend, and for this product to work, please make sure that your Bluetooth is on. When you turn on your Bluetooth, you turn on the battery, and the battery will be listed in the menu in the app. You can rename it. Let's call this battery new, like that. And as you can see, I have 3 batteries already here, and you can, by pressing the button, 3 dots on the right, you can rename or you can move it to a group. I will show you how to do that a little bit later. Right now I will show you how to make groups. On the bottom menu you have all on or all off. When you press this button, you have all the batteries on. When you press this button as well, the all batteries goes off. So now let's turn them back on. New group. When you press this button, you can create a group. We already have one group. Let's create another one. Let's call this one Group B. In Group B, we're gonna move the battery, new battery. You can choose if you wanna move it to Group A or B. Let's move it to Group B. If you have only one battery, you don't have to move it to a group. You can just operate it without moving to any group. So let's just move it out of the group, and I can show you how you can control lights. So all these 3 batteries are grouped together. I will show you how to control them all together from one interface. So you have a drop down menu here. So collapse. When you click on it, the batteries will be hidden. When you click on the arrow again, the batteries are visible. So I'll just close it and click on the A group. In the A group, I can control all the grouped batteries at once. For example, this is a color wheel where you can change colors with your finger, or you can press preset colors that you can see in the menu below. And here you can also change the intensity of brightness of the garment. You can dim it all the way down to almost invisible, or you can crank it up all the way up. All these features are in the first
button menu on the bottom. The second menu is the warmth of color. I don't use this feature because this is mostly for the white color. For RGB colors, it's basically not useful. So I would not worry about this feature when working with your garment. Third button, it's a mode button. You have 18 modes in this preset menu. There are different modes. You can pick whichever you like, or you can create your customized mode. Like custom mode is right here. You click on that button in the top right menu. Now on the bottom you click add mode. By pressing and holding on each block, you remove the colors that are there, and by pressing again you can assign color to each block. So let's pick few colors and then I can show you what else you can adjust. So this is customized mode. You can change this to whatever you want. I will call it A. Now you can also change colors and mode here in a gradual colors, normal, or flash. Below you can change the speed. Okay, let me go back there so we don't have the letters there. You can change the speed of the sequence or of the mode, and if you like what you picked, you click OK and you click apply. And this mode will apply to all the items that you have grouped together. You can group up to 7 items. This is useful if you want to achieve a specific look, or it is useful if you want to sync with your friends so you guys have a same lighting sequence, or whatever reason you want to use that for. Next is the player mode. You can play the music from your player and the garment will light up to the sound of the song from your phone that you play. Or in the top right corner there is a small mic icon, and when you press on it you activate live mic feature. So as you can see, the phone picks up the sound through the microphone and implements the mode to the garment. Now it's reactive to my voice. So this is another cool feature that you can play with. You can also adjust sensitivity of the microphone through this slider. So this is brief description how you can use Your Mind Your World mobile app. If you have any questions or suggestions, please ask me in the comments or write me an email. I'll be happy to answer them to you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.